In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete friends on Snapchat. If you find this guide useful, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a thumbs up. To begin, open the Snapchat app on your device and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon located in the top left corner of the home page. Scroll down on your profile page until you find the My Friends section and tap on it to access your friends list. Once you're on the friends list, locate the friends you wish to remove and press and hold on their name or Bitmoji. A menu will appear, and from there select Manage Friendship. In the option that appears, choose Remove Friends. A pop-up will show you, and you can confirm the removal by tapping on Remove. By following these steps, the selected person will no longer be your friends on Snapchat. That concludes this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give the video a like and consider subscribing for more Snapchat tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.